What is up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. So if you were using Nicehash within the last couple days and you tried to withdraw some money, especially withdrawing to Coinbase from BTC to Coinbase, you may have noticed your transaction may have gotten stuck or held up, or it just says processing or pending, and it did not go through normally as fast as they do. And Nicehash has actually addressed this. So I just now flipped my rigs back over to Nicehash. I was mining Doge through Unminable, so I kind of missed like this whole little conundrum. Went over to Nicehash today, and I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna withdraw, the money I had sitting in there, and I saw this press release. So let me bring it up. Bam. So I'm saying their words. Stuck Bitcoin withdrawals will be processed today. Dear Nicehash users, some users may be experiencing stuck Bitcoin withdrawals transactions using the Bitcoin blockchain and Coinbase. Due to congested network, we are aware of the problem and we are working on resolving it as soon as possible. Your funds are safe and should be processed during the day. Thank you for understanding. Your Nicehash team. So at least they are addressing this. There was a huge Reddit thread that somebody sent me earlier today. I was checking it out and I was like, this ain't a good look. But you know what? I mean, they addressed it. So I mean, you should be getting paid out. Now, in other news, let me just bring up my rig manager. No smoke and mirrors. Look at what is going on right now. My current actual profitability is $86 a day, which, I mean, that's not technically what it's going to be. I haven't been mining on here, so my actual profitability is not showing correctly. So it spiked back up. Once I give it a full 6 hours, I've only been on for a couple hours now. Then it should actually reflect what it is doing. But I have around I'm right at 700 megahash total on Nicehash at the moment, and $86 a day. That's more than $10 per 100 megahash. So we are over the golden zone. I like to call the golden zone 10. That's right at where you get paid $10 per day per 100 megahash. That's like it don't get much better than the golden zone. And today we have been paying out better than the golden zone. Apparently this has been happening for a couple days, but I've been over on Unminable mining Dogecoin, completely oblivious to it. So some people let me in on it, and I was just like, dang, okay, well, I got to get back and I got to make me some Bitcoin. I did enjoy mining the Dogecoin. That was still fun, and we will revisit that in the future. But right now, we got to focus on some Bitcoin. We got to get that real stuff, if you know what I mean. So with that being said, though, guys, just don't sleep on it. Get to mining, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Peace.